Hello all, welcome back for another video of So to Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of this indicator over here, this orange one, change engine oil indicator of a Suzuki S Cross 2020, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, So to Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the commentary if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first step is have the ignition on to the second position by pressing the start stop button. Then wait for this area to clear up. Once that clears up, there is a button on the right side, this stick. Press and hold it for about 5 seconds like this, then turn it to scroll through the menu and find oil change. Press and release, then reset, press it for about 5 seconds. Wait a bit longer. Wait for it to have successful in the dashboard area, and once that appears, the surface indicator must have been reset. Do the check by turning ignition off and ignition on and see if the orange oil indicator shows up. And as you can see, it doesn't show up anymore. Like this. Okay, this is how you can reset the Suzuki S Cross 2020. I hope you enjoyed it and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.